Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make butter roti with wheat flour. First, combine 2 cups of whole wheat flour with 1/4 teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Next, gradually add about 3/4 cup of water, mixing until a soft, pliable dough forms. Knead this dough for 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. This crucial step develops the gluten, ensuring your rotis are soft and easy to roll. Once your dough is ready, divide it into 8 to 10 equal-sized portions, forming them into smooth balls. Lightly dust each ball with a little dry flour to prevent sticking. Now, using a rolling pin, gently roll each ball into a thin, even circle. Try to achieve a diameter of about 6 to 7 inches. Consistency and thickness is key for even cooking, so take your time with each one. Now it's time to cook. Heat a flat griddle, also known as a tawa, over medium-high heat until it's hot but not smoking. Place a rolled roti onto the hot tawa. Cook for about 30 to 45 seconds on the first side until small bubbles start to form. Flip it over and cook the second side for a similar duration. Gently press the edges with a clean cloth to encourage it to puff up beautifully. As soon as each roti comes off the tawa, spread a generous amount of melted butter over one side. The butter will melt into the warm roti, adding incredible flavor and keeping it soft. Serve these delicious, warm butter rotis immediately with your favorite curry, dal, or vegetable dish. They are best enjoyed fresh. For a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.